10:29 AM. So this is the answer. Okay. Ada soalan tak?
Okey, doktor.
Okay. So we have a lot of exercise here and I'm also going to give you another exercise dalam Cengage. Saya tak sempat buat lagi. Nanti I just deliver and let you know in our WhatsApp group. So since tak ada apa-apa, ada soalan tak?
Thank you, doktor.
Thank you. Okay. So before we end our class, please recite tasbih kifarah suratul As. Alright, untuk subtopik hari ini, we are going to continue on our last subtopic for chapter first order, which is Newton Law of Cooling. Okay, sebelum ni hari tu saya decide untuk buat video, tapi tengok timing korang macam sesuai je, so saya ajar online class lah. Ada... Okay, suppose we have a lot of application or mathematical modeling for first order ordinary differential equation. Okay, on the previous semester kita we choose two model which is Newton Law of Cooling and population growth. Tapi untuk semester ni only one model named as Newton Law of Cooling. Okay, Newton Law of Cooling ni apa? The law that represent the rate of change of the temperature and also the difference in between the body temperature and surrounding temperature. Okay, in detail, okay, inilah Newton Law of Cooling said that temperature of a body tu apa? Body tu depend on equation. Sometimes boleh jadi manusia, sometimes boleh jadi kalau nak calculate temperature of the cake, calculate temperature of the drinks, any kind of material, okay, temperature of the body change at a rate that is proportional, berkadar langsung to the difference between, berkadar langsung kepada perbezaan antara temperature of the body and also surrounding temperature. Capital T here represent temperature of the body. Surrounding temperature represent the TS. Okay. Mathematically, okay, kita boleh tuliskan this statement ni in a mathematical equation. The temperature of the body change at a rate. Okay, this is represent as dt, d small t. Proportional here represent as this symbol. Different here represent the minus symbol. Different in between what? Body temperature and the surrounding temperature. So body temperature mana? Surrounding temperature mana? So this is the body temperature, surrounding temperature. Okay, since kita dah belajar, we have learned about differential equation. Okay, yang ni semua ni, this is not differential equation. Sebab apa? Because of the proportional symbol. Definition of differential equation must have, kena ada equal symbol and also must have derivative. Untuk case ni, we already have the derivative but we don't have the equal symbol. So kita kena convert lah the proportional to the equal symbol by add on constant. Okay, suppose kita boleh add je dt d small t change to proportional to equal will be equal k. In bracket we have t minus ts. T minus Ts. Tapi for the temperature, the rate of change is different. Okay, apa maksudnya? Okay, the rate of change represent as D capital T, D small t. Okay, for the cooling system, penyejukan, okay, the rate of change decrease. Decrease maksudnya mengurang. So suppose kat sini is negative, menurun. Okay. Tapi the body temperature is higher than the surrounding temperature. When it minus, suppose here is become positive value. Suppose when it represent as equal, bila kita represent as equal, kiri dan kanan must be equal. Kalau kiri negatif, kanan pun negatif. But in this case, for the cooling system, on the left hand side negative, on the right hand side is positive. So what we need to do is make it balance. Macam mana nak balance kan? That's why kita tambahkan negatif di sini. Sebab itulah jadinya negatif K. It's not only positive K. So sekarang dah balance, negatif time with positif akan dapat jawapan negatif. Okay, two reason why we have negative here. Okay, ada soalan tak?
Tak pun.
Okay, so kita continue. Sekarang nak faham pula. Now we want to understand the parameter. Okay, capital T here represent temperature of the body. Saya tulis balik satu persatu. Okay, body ni apa? Depend on question. Yang ni depend on question. Okay, next, small t. Small t here represent time. Okay, then we have Ts. Ts here represent surrounding. Alah, hijau pun. Temperature. Then we have K. K here is constant. Setakat ini, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4 parameter. Okay. The capital T is depend on small t because the derivative here is derivative of capital T and small t. So both here is depending to each other. Capital T depend on small t. Ataupun capital T is a function of small t. When small t change means capital T change. When time change, temperature also change. Okay. Time is independent, but temperature is depend on time. Okay. Next is surrounding temperature is a fixed value, constant. So constant, where is this come from? This is come from question. Okay. K need to be calculated. Okay, how to calculate? Calculate based on condition. Where is this condition come from? Condition come from question. Okay, so all of this is related to each other. Right, so saya sambung. Okay, from this differential equation, we need to find our capital T in term of small t, which is solution ni lah. Solution for this differential equation is capital T to small t. Okay, ataupun temperature of the body at time t. Okay, from the differential equation, kita kena selesaikan. We need to solve the differential equation. dt d small t equals to negative k t minus ts. Okay. Variable, variable, constant, constant. Constant, constant. So variable, variable. Ini adalah separable equation. So based on method of separable equation, we need to separate in between capital T and small t. For the capital T, di sini kita ada capital T. Tapi we cannot move only capital T. We need to consider capital T minus TS. So pindahkan. Ini constant remain on the right hand side. Kemudian integrate, integrate. Then we'll have ln T minus TS negative K small t plus C. Okay, K is a constant. Integrate constant with respect to small t akan dapat negative constant T plus C. C is a constant. Our aim is to find what is capital T. So kena eliminate ln by exponent both side. So on the left hand side we have T minus TS equals to exponent, okay, exponent power of negative KT plus exponent C, negative KT plus it should be multiply exponent C. We note that C constant, exponent C is also constant, so represent with another constant, A exponent C. Okay, so now we can have only T on the left hand side. Negative TS bring to the right hand side will be positive TS A exponent negative KT. So this equation represent, okay, ini represent apa? Represent temperature of the body at time T. So if the question asks you about temperature of the body, then you can calculate based on this equation. TS given in the equation, A and K, you need to calculate based on condition. Okay, so please. Since we have two constant, so we need two condition. Okay, ada soalan tak? Tak ada soalan, saya nak proceed. Yang ni adalah method of solution tadilah yang saya buat tu. Example 12. A small metal rod with an initial temperature of 30 degrees Celsius is dropped into a large bowl of boiling water. Okay. Based on the first statement, we can extract information. First, we note that the body in this case is represented as metal rod. Okay, rod besi. Next, given here is initial temperature, means you have T0 with capital T equals to 30. Represent in term of condition, we can write down as T in bracket 0 equals to 30. Is dropped into a large bowl of boiling water. So our surrounding temperature here, boiling water. Boiling water, berapa
100.
Okay, so TS is 100. Next, it is known that the temperature increase 2 degrees Celsius per second. Kalau tadi initial 0 means T1 dia tambah 2 degrees Celsius will become 32. Kalau 2 second, T in bracket 2 will become 34 and so on. Since just now we have two constant need to be calculated, we need to calculate A and K. Two constant for two conditions, so we just consider only two conditions. Our T0 and also T1. Okay. Question. Write a rate equation for the problem according to Newton law of cooling. Okay, rate equation ni apa? Rate equation ni kita ambil lah sebagai capital T, Ts, A, eksponen negatif KT. So kena gantikan what is dTs, what is A and what is K based on the given information. So, salin balik. Now we want to substitute Ts. Our Ts here is 100. Okay. We want to consider the first condition here. Condition yang pertama, 30 equals to 100 plus A, we don't know the value of A, exponent negative K, okay, in bracket 0. Okay, ni semua mana datang? 100 tadi because of the TS. Capital T, small t, depend on condition. Okay, continue. 30 minus 100 equals to, exponent power of 0 is equals to 1. 1 times A is equals to A. So we have A here is negative 70. Okay, next. We just calculate for the A. Next is we need to calculate for K. Okay, by using second condition. So sekarang ni saya masukkan dulu our A. A here is negative 70. Okay, kita akan guna lagi sekali by substituting capital T equals to 32, small t equals to 1. 32 equals to 100 minus 70 exponent negative K time with 1. So we have 32 minus 100 negative 70 exponent negative k times 1 will become negative k. So, tolong 32 tolak 100. 68 ni. Negative 68 negative 70 exponent negative k. Okay, negative, negative. Alamak, apa ni? Okay. 68 bagi 70. We want to have only k, so we need to ln both sides. Ln then we have negative k equals to ln 34 over 35. K is equals to negative ln 34, 35. Okay, is approximately apa? 0.02899. Betul ke? 0.02899. Please make sure when you convert to decimal point, make it as 4 decimal point. 4 titik perpuluhan. Yang ni 4 titik perpuluhan tau, bukan 5. Kita start dengan 2 ni. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to answer the question asks us to write a rate equation. So our rate equation according to TS, A and K value is T equals to 100 minus 70 exponent negative 0.02899 T. So inilah dia the answer. Ada soalan? Tak ada soalan, saya sambung. Determine the time taken for the road to reach 80 degrees Celsius and then find how long will it take to reach 95 degrees Celsius. Okay, yang ni soalan dia nak apa? The question asks you to find the small t. Small t when capital T 80, small t when capital T is 95. So we have here B. Use the same formula here. Okay, kita nak cari first small t for the 80. So we have 80, 100 minus 70 exponent negative 2899 small t. So 80 minus 100 negative 70 exponent ln both sides. We have negative 0.02899 equals to ln 2/7. The small t is ln 2/7 divided by negative 0.02899. Dapat apa? .21 second. Because our unit just now is in second. Ni kat sini second. We also consider small t here second. So answer must be in second. Dapat tak?
Dapat.
Okay, next 95 degree Celsius, 100 minus 70, exponent negative 0.02899 t. So 95 minus 100, exponent okay, ln both sides. We have negative 0.02899 t ln 1/14. So the small t is ln 1/14 negative 0.2899. Ini dapat apa?
91.03.
91.3
03.
second. Okay, kita dah jawab soalan B. Soalan C. What is the temperature of the metal after 45 seconds? Selepas 45 saat. Untuk kes ni dia nak tanya capital T berapa bila small t equals to 45. Pun sama, guna je balik. Copy. Alamak. Capital T apa? Hundred minus 70 exponent negative 0.02899 time with 45. So calculate saja. Cuba tolong. Negative. Saya dapat 81.00. 81 lah. Degree Celsius. Sama tak?
Sama pun.
Alright. So capital T equals to 81 degree Celsius. Ada soalan?
Dapat madam.
Okay. Tak ada soalan, kita proceed. Last example. Sekejap saya nak minum air ya. Okay. Saya nak check attendance dulu. Abdi Sultan Ismail. Abdi Sultan Ismail. Adil Husam Muhammadin Yusof.
Okay, doktor.
Yeah, do you know this Abdi Sultan Ismail?
Abdullah Abdul Sultan, half class now.
Sorry?
Half another class.
He's not coming to the class. Why?
What?
He's not coming to the class. Why? Do you know him?
Half class right now. Half class, another class.
Huh? What could it be? Another class? Suppose this hour is my class.
I don't know.
Ask him to contact me
Okay.
as soon as possible. Thank you.
Okay.
Akid Zarif Muhammad Shah Aril.
Ya, madam.
Kenapa tak isi attendant? Akmal Farhan.
Ada madam.
Tak isi attendant kenapa? Amirul Faid. Amirul Faid. Ni tak ada. Siapa kenal dia? Amirul Faid.
Toilet madam, toilet.
Oh, okay. Cover ke betul ni? Amar Shah.
Ada madam.
Tolong isi attendant. Izzat Ishraf.
Saya baru lepas isi satu saat lepas.
Itulah bertukar ni saya nampak ni. Muhammad Afif Faik.
Saya madam.
Isi cepat.
Dah isi lah madam.
Pangkah lagi ni. Ni mesti isi my name is not in the list.
Iya ke?
Tak bertukar lagi ni.
Saya balik lah.
Muhammad. Sekejap, saya buka sekali. Tak ada, tak bertukar lagi. Afif Faid masih belum bertukar. Muhammad Asrul Aiman. Asrul Aiman ada?
Dia kawan madam.
Oh, yang mesej saya tu ke?
Dia kata kawan konvo.
Okay. Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Nazri.
Cik madam.
Tolong isi attendance. Muhammad Syazirul Daniel. Syazirul ada tak? Muhammad Syazirul. Saya tak online je ni. Ada kawan-kawan dia tak dalam ni?
Ada
Tadi
madam.
dengar suara dia.
Apa dia?
Tadi dia dah respon kat madam ni.
Eh?
Saya buat soalan.
Oh, okey. Baiklah.
Kereta kedua
Muhammad-
apa?
Muhammad Yazid. Yazid mana Yazid? Muhammad Yazid Mak Zain. Kawan-kawan kenal tak? Saya takut bukan student Unimap. Takut dia termasuk 101. Sebab tu saya kena check nama hari-hari. Muhammad Yazid. Sudah.
Saya kenal dia madam.
Dia student Unimap ke tak?
Student.
Diploma.
Student.
Student Unimap diploma.
Ya betul.
Dia masuk kelas ke tak sebelum ni?
Masuk.
Ada madam.
Ada. Okay. Nick Muhammad Nakib. Rasa macam ada tadi ni.
Dia
Nur
student madam.
Nur Syahir Aiman. Nur Syahir Aiman. Ini nombor matrik 23 ni. Siapa kenal dia? Seorang lagi last, Muhammad Izwan bin Samsul Kamal. Dah daftar tak masuk kelas pula. Muhammad Akil bin Samsudin ada kan? Mana pergi kawan ni?
Ada.
Mana dia Muhammad Izwan pergi mana?
Ui, saya tak tahu kan, tak kenal.
Hai, takkan tak kenal nama matrik dulu korang ni?
Tak tahu.
Nama sekali lagi madam.
Tengok muka kenal kot.
Muhammad Izwan bin Samsul Kamal.
Sorry tak kenal.
Aduh. Cemuh lah nak cari hilang ni. Ada tak nama yang tak ada dalam list tapi masuk kelas? Saya rasa saya nampak nama kat bawah ni macam Zawin. Zawin.
Madam.
Tak ada nama dalam Google Form kan? Kenapa Kenapa masuk kelas saya? Tiba.
Saya punya result yang transfer tu dah lulus tapi dekat register course tu tak tukar lagi.
Oh, second take ke first intake?
First.
Macam mana dia tak tukar? Awak dia
tak
ter-drop
tak-
kot.
Lepas saya dah tanya orang office dah, lepas tu dia kata kena tunggu. Tapi Madam Melati kata boleh masuk je sebab saya punya tu dah lulus. Masuk kelas.
Tak, sekarang ni selalu kalau lulus dekat dalam Google Form tu, Google Sheet tu, pendaftar akan terus daftar. Sekarang ni awak pernah tak ter-drop?
Ada saya tak tahu lah sebab saya tengok salah tengok.
Kalau dah ter-drop, ada masalah untuk daftar balik. Awak punya AR tak boleh buat.
Lepas tu saya kena
Pergi kat Institut Matematik Juruteraan, bagi tahu dekat kaunter. Saya tak boleh tolong yang tu sebab yang daftar orang lain. Penolong pendaftar yang buat tu.
okay.
Okay. Ada lagi tak nama yang saya tak panggil?
Saya madam.
Lagi seorang. Ni pun drop juga.
Sama macam Zawin.
Pergi cari pejabat.
Okey.
Aku suka hati sampai drop Lepas tu masuk kelas buat apa? Sentap sis. Okay, sambung A body of an apparent homicide victim was found in a room that was kept at a constant temperature of 70 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Daripada statement, from the statement, we note that we are going to calculate temperature of a body of an apparent homicide victim. Mayat lah. Okay. First statement, you are given TS. Okay, kat mana TS tu? Was found in a room. So in this case, TS is equals to 70 degree Celsius. Okay, next. At 12 noon, the temperature of the body was 80 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, dia bagi masa kat sini. Time. Okay, it's not small t tapi dia bagi time tu lah. Alright. At 12 noon. So maksudnya 12 noon, capital T equals to 80. Small t kat sini is 0. Kita assume initial temperature dia pada 12 noon. Okay, so small t here is 0. Next, 1 p.m. it was 75 degree Fahrenheit. So 1 p.m. temperature 75. So what is the small t? Small t is the difference in between 12 noon and 1 p.m. So jarak dia adalah 1 hour. Okay, in this case saya nak guna hour. So let it be as t equals to 1. No need to change to minute. Alright, okay. Next, soalan dia apa? Assuming that the temperature of the body at the time of death was 98.6 degree Fahrenheit and determine the time of death. Dia nak tahu masa. Masa dia tu bukan small t ni, tapi masa ni lah. Yang AM, PM, noon, midnight. So dia nak tahu pukul berapa. Okay, alright. So we start with rewrite our equation. TS A negative KT. Okay, first substitute our TS. So TS kat sini adalah 70. Then consider a condition. Okay, condition yang pertama. This is the first condition. T0 equals to 80. Condition yang kedua. T1 equals to 75. Okay. Alright. So substitute 80 equals to 70 plus A exponent negative K time with our small t here represent 0. Sama macam tadi, calculate 80 minus 70 A exponent power of 0 is 1, A time with 1 is A. So kita ada our A here represent 10. Okay, second condition. 75, 70, alah, 75, 70 plus A kita dah ada value sini, A is equals to 10. So 10 exponent negative K time with 1. Okay, 75 minus 70 divide by 10 equals to exponent negative K. Okay, 75 minus 70, 5 over 10 ataupun 1 over 2. Exponent negative K. Nak cari K, we want to find out what is K. Ln both side. So ln. This is also ln. Okay, simplify. Then we have negative K equals to ln 1/2. Then K is equals to negative ln 1/2. Okay, tolong calculate 4 decimal point.
0.693.
Okay, dengar lah bergaul-gaul. Sekejap. Buka tulis in call message.
0.693.
0.693 je.
1.
31.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sini approximately lah. Dia tak boleh letak equal tau. Dia approximately. So awak dah ada A, and K. Also TS just now. So equation dia akan jadi T 70 plus 10 exponent negative 0.6931T. Yang ni yang kita akan guna. We are going to use this equation to find the answer ataupun time of that. Assuming blah blah blah, the time of that temperature of the body at the time of that was 98.6. Okay, so maksudnya capital T dia adalah 98.6. Substitute 98.6 equal 70 plus 10 exponent negative 6931T. Okay, calculate the small t. Then you have apa ln both side. Okay. 98.6 minus 70. 143.50. So the small t is apa? Tolong.
Negatif 1.52.
Tak dengar.
Negatif 1.52.
1.52 ke? Boleh lah. 4K must be 4 decimal point, tapi untuk T 2 pun boleh. Sebab nanti kita nak convert. You want to convert to hour and minute. Okay, so T here represent negative 1.52 hour. Okay, but this is not the answer yet. We need to change to hour and minute and also AM, PM or noon. So, to convert, okay, sekarang kita nak convert. Negative 1.52 hour represent negative 1 hour. 0.52 times 60 minutes. Calculate. Negative 1 hour 0.52 times 60. 31 minutes. So based on the time frame, tadi time frame kan, kita ada T0 at 12 noon. T equals to 1 at 1 p.m. When it goes to -1 means should be here. T equals to -1.52 is we need to find the difference in between 12 noon with 1.52 hours. Kena tolak lah. Okay, so nak tolak dia macam mana? 12 noon minus 1 hour 31 minute. So, sini jadi 29. This is 10. Since this is noon, this is PM. Before noon is AM. Time of that is 10:29 AM. Okay, dapat? Ada soalan?
Habis kelas saya.
Afif comel kat siapa? Kat saya ke dekat dua sister tadi? Nama apa
Bug with the bug.
Okay. Ada soalan tak?
Tak ada, madam.
Tak ada. So kita dismiss hari Khamis kelas pukul 4. Kalau boleh awal kan tolong bagi tahu dalam grup.
Baik, madam.
Hari sebelum kau ada kelas yang cancel ke?
Baik, madam.
Okay, so saya hari kelas dengan tasbih kifarah dan suratul as.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Ampun ni soalan.
Madam, thank you, madam.
Jawab
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Amin nak zawin.
Thank you, madam.
Jangan salam lah kalau nak.
Yes, yeah,